Ever wondered about the truth behind common Islamic myths? Today we turn the spotlight on 5 prevalent misconceptions and unveil the facts. First up, the myth that Islam promotes violence. Far from it, Islam is a religion that advocates peace, love, and harmony. It urges its followers to lead lives marked by fairness and virtue, and not to judge the entirety of a faith by the actions of a few. Next, the myth that Muslim women are oppressed. Quite the opposite, in fact. Islam confers significant rights to women, viewing them as equals. The hijab, often misunderstood, is not a sign of oppression, but rather a personal choice that empowers women to express their faith and observe modesty. Thirdly, the myth that Muslims worship a different God. Muslims, in fact, worship the same God as Christians and Jews. Allah is simply the Arabic term for God, and Islam recognizes the prophets of other religions, including Jesus and Moses, thereby underlining the continuity of the Abrahamic faith. On to myth number 4, the belief that all Muslims are Arabs. Islam is a global faith, with followers hailing from diverse ethnic backgrounds. Yes, many Muslims are Arabs, but there are also Muslims in South Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Islam transcends cultural boundaries, uniting people in their belief. Finally, the myth that Islam promotes forced conversions. This couldn't be further from the truth. Islam champions freedom of belief, with the Quran explicitly stating, "There is no compulsion in religion." Muslims are encouraged to share their faith through peaceful dialogue, but the ultimate decision to convert rests with the individual. In conclusion, it's crucial to dismantle stereotypes and promote a deeper understanding of Islam. We trust that this video has helped debunk these 5 common myths surrounding the faith. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and as always, thank you for tuning in.